How does a product manager differ from a data product manager? In this video, I'll be comparing these two careers from inside out. And hey there, my name is Josh and I'm a founder here at Product HQ. And this video is for individuals who want to become product managers or data product managers, but aren't quite sure what's the differences between the two. Well, I'll go ahead and break down the roles, responsibilities, salaries, and career paths of each of these positions to show you where they share similarities and where they differ. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more content or comment below about videos you'd like to see from us in the future. Now let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, who is a product manager? Well, a product manager or PM shares the same overarching goal as a data PM, which is to help develop and launch a successful product. The important distinction for a data product manager, however, is that the use of data is an integral at every stage. So both PMs and data PMs do regular planning and problem solving, but the data PM goes about it by leveraging data throughout all actions. And this different role of data marks the fundamental difference between these two positions. For example, in the earliest stages of a product's development, a PM conducts customer research and incorporates it into the product. But instead of employing data-driven solutions at various stages, a data PM integrates continuous data streams into the core functionality of the product. Unlike product managers, data product managers are the authority on data within an organization. And as data becomes more central to all products in the world, the role of a data PM is more and more crucial to a product's success in the market. And now that we understand the fundamental difference between product managers and data product managers, let's go ahead and discuss their differing responsibilities. Both PMs and data PMs oversee a product's development. For a traditional product manager, this means taking on organizational responsibilities like product roadmap refinement, which is essentially the development plan. Traditional PMs are also responsible for customer development, which is conducting research to understand the needs of the market and the behaviors of customers. The product manager incorporates this information into a product's design and may make changes to the project development accordingly. The PM keeps the organization on track by defining key performance indicators and coordinating with other teams to reach company objectives. This involves collaboration with other department heads and specialized data teams. So how is a data product manager different? Well, a data PM performs the same basic overseeing role, but with additional responsibilities of leveraging real-time data, which makes all the difference. And these data streams are used at all points to perfect a product's design. And therefore, data PMs need to know all things data, such as machine learning models, algorithms, data visualization, and artificial intelligence. Because data PMs rely on data, they must know how to leverage data. And this involves ensuring that all user data is stored and processed without error. And this is an essential foundation for data-driven solutions, which is why data PMs must know to build and support data pipelines. And data PMs also must understand and design the data warehouses, or what's called data lakes, for qualitative and quantitative analysis. Before implementing data, it is the responsibility of a data PM to apply chi-squared tests to validate the statistical significance of any data streams. And once a data PM has determined the authenticity of data, they are responsible for extracting insight from that data. The data PM uses this data to define key metrics that track product success, as well as prioritize the product's features. As an expert on data within any given organization, the data PM is responsible for promoting data literacy among the ranks. Now let's take a closer look to gain a deeper understanding of what this means. Just like how a product manager communicates goals, a data PM must communicate the significance and utilization of data across the organization. They use analytics, which are collected through the data pipelines, to make data accessible to employees within an organization. This involves a data PM translating data into customized dashboards, which are accessible widgets used to visualize large amounts of data. A data PM must decide which widgets in the dashboard are relevant to the company's initiatives and place priority around the most essential metrics. So for example, a data PM may create a dashboard that places more weight on conversion metrics to judge the success of the product's sales strategy. Or a data product manager involved in web development may design a customized dashboard more preoccupied with a site's bounce rate if their current company mission is to make a more successful user experience for web visitors. By translating data into dashboards, a data PM shares key insights across an organization to educate and motivate their team. Sometimes data PMs may find it advantageous to use metrics that support a particular narrative for desired individuals such as shareholders, executives, or data specialists. Similar to how a product manager is responsible for customer development, a data PM is responsible for conducting marketing assessments and user interviews with the incorporation of data. And both product managers and data product managers use A/B testing to gauge consumer experience, but to different ends. Unlike a normal product manager, a data product manager uses data science techniques, data engineering processes, and market experimentation tests to customize product experiences. This involves mapping out data personas and consumer profiles with data visualization and statistical analysis. These tasks are spearheaded by the data PM, who then translates data goals into actionable tasks for the data specialists within the organization. Unlike a PM, a data PM defines goals for data collection and implementation that align with the company's broader vision and desired trajectory. Therefore, a constant background responsibility for data PMs is to analyze market data to propose new product initiatives. Again, this responsibility of having a comprehensive bird's eye view of a product development project is the same between a PM and a data PM. It's just that the data PM's pursuits revolve around data. And now that we understand the different responsibilities of a product manager and a data product manager, let's discuss their salaries. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a product manager is about $118,000. The average salary for a data product manager is over $115,000. These are similar salaries, but it's worth noting that companies have different salaries depending on the relative importance of their product manager. So a product manager at a small cybersecurity company, for example, may have a lower salary than a product manager at a major smartphone manufacturer such as Apple. Even though a product manager and a data product manager have similar salaries, a data PM's role is becoming more valuable by the day as data gathering and algorithm technology advances. With salaries covered, let's discuss who the PM and data PM report to and what skills they require. Depending on the organization, there will be a hierarchy of product managers or data product managers. You can see on Glassdoor that some organizations will have product managers who are subordinate to lead product managers, who report to senior lead product managers. So whether you want to be a lead product manager or a senior lead data product manager, you're going to need years of experience and a diverse skill set. Anyone wishing to be a traditional product manager should still consider learning JavaScript, Agile, Spark, Python, and lifecycle management. And anyone looking to become a traditional product manager should consider getting a product management certification. They're not mandatory, but having an official document from a respected product management course indicates your skills and expertise to potential employers to some degree. Now, there are plenty of PM courses online that teach core competencies required for the job, such as conducting market research, assessing customer needs, idea generation, pricing estimation, product roadmap planning, and user testing. Anyone looking to become a traditional product manager could also consider the popular programs instituted by large technology companies that hire and train young graduates, such as Google's Associate Product Manager Program or the Facebook Rotational Product Manager Program. These all supplement on-the-job training, of course. And on the other hand, if you're interested in becoming a data product manager, it's best to start working as a member of a data team. By learning the ins and outs of data teams, say as a junior data scientist, you can learn the separate roles that become synergized under the data product manager. See, if you want to become a data product manager, you should learn the dynamics of a data team and how the team scales to meet the product at hand. Also, any member of a data team interested in becoming a data product manager should foster collaborations between the multi-talented team members and become comfortable marrying marketing, design, and engineering together to benefit the product and users. By learning the role of data from the ground up, any data scientist can work their way up to become a data product manager. And there you have it, from the fundamental difference between PM and data PMs to their diverging responsibilities, salaries, and career paths. And if you're interested in learning more about how to become a data product manager, make sure to check out Product Manager HQ's course where we certify you in data product management. And with that said, I'll go ahead and make sure to leave the link to that in the description below this video. And thank you for watching. And again, my name is Josh. I'm one of the founders here at Product Manager HQ. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. And I'll go ahead and see you in some of our following videos. Cheers.